Hey guys, so today we have the Atomic Bear. This is their Defender pen. So been able to play with this a little bit, but I wanted to show you what it looks like to unbox the Atomic Bear tactical self-defense survival pen. So basically what it looks like. Alright, so let's pull off the box. Inside we have there it is, the owner's information manual, QR code for lifetime warranty. Go ahead, if anybody wants to scan it, pause the video right now. There you go. Alright, and what else we got? Yeah, all the other information on the pen, or basically how the pen works, the different refills, those sort of things. So alright, so let's take a look at the pen itself. So in here we've got the pen. Here is the pen. Pretty cool. You got the business end in the back, and you got the stylus end in the front. You've got two refills, a blue refill and a black refill. You can see them here. They are logoed. I don't know if we can see that. See if we can get it to focus. Nope, not going to focus here. Alright, so yeah, so that's the pen. We've got those guys there. And yeah, so they come in the extra bag. And that's everything. Alright, so now to the Stylus tactical pen portion of it. Alright, so we got a nice soft stylus side. Actually works fairly well. Unscrews to reveal the pen. So we can get to focus. There we are. And the back side is the business end. Now there is an O-ring around this side. You can see it right there by my finger. And over here is another O-ring here. So now the cap is supposed to fit tightly on that O-ring, and that is all that is used to keep that cap on. So that's probably my only downside to this pen, is that cap can fairly easily get bumped and come off. So there, it was pretty easy to pop it right off if you don't get it on super tight, or if that O-ring happened to go, that will pop off. So yeah, so that's probably my only, there's no positive non-O-ring based catch to keep that lid secured on the back so you don't lose it. Kind of hate to lose that portion of it. Alright, to change the ink refill, got a unscrew here. Sorry about that. And there you go, you got a spring. Man, my camera doesn't want to focus today. Got a spring in the tip, gives your pressure, and we've got the ink cartridge, which in this case is the black. It goes in there. And as you can probably tell, it works fairly well. So I've already marked myself up a couple times. That's it. And there is an O-ring seal on that as well. Material feels like it's made out of a metal of some sort, ferro or non-magnetic, and it seems to work fairly well even on a hard plastic surface. Seems to write fairly well. Overall, I'm fairly impressed with the pen. This is my first tactical pen, so I like the fact that that does have an O-ring down here to keep the ink side from getting wet if it gets wet. I do like the sharp pointy piece of the business end here. I kind of do like how it's fitting in the clasp section, whatever this thing is called, why can I not remember what it's called, is over here, because, you know, for me, it feels like it fits. You know, if I have to break a window or something like that, you know, I'm going to have a little bit more extra compression area to grip onto to hit that window. So yeah, that's the Atomic Bear pen by Atomic Bear, and this is the Defender pen. Alright guys, I'll leave a link to their store here in the description. Give them a check out, shout out, let them know that I sent you, and I'll be grateful. Alright, thanks guys.